Hi everyone, I am Gaganayan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE Data Science. Today I will discuss the subject is data science, data structure. In this topic, I will discuss about the structure and union and stack of push and pop operation and queues insert and delete operation and linked list of insert and delete operation. First, we will introduce to the data structure. What is data structure? Data structure are used to organize and store the data in an effective manner. Different types of data structure are available to suit different needs. This presentation will focus on a structures and unions, tags operation and queues operation and linked list operation. We will discuss the structure and union. What is structure and what is union? Structure is similar to union. Structure are used to group a related data items together under one name. Each data item within a structure is called a member or field. Union are similar to structure, but they share the same memory location for all the member. Next, we will discuss the creating and accessing the structures. Structure are created using the struct keyword. Struct is a keyword for the structure, followed by the structure name and the member variable. To access the member of a structure, we use the dot operation, followed by the member name. Structure member can be accessed and manipulated individually. Next, we will discuss the example of structure. Suppose we want to represent a person information using a structure. Keywords of the structure is struct. We can define the structure called a person with member like a name, age, and addresses. Each member can have a different data type, such as a string for name and integer for the age and salary for the float, also string for the addresses, etc. Next, we will discuss the understanding of union. Union are also user defined data type. It can hold the variable of a different types. Unlike structures, all members of a union share the same memory space. Only then a member of a union can be active at a time. Next, we will see the creating and accessing the union. Union are created by using a union only. The keyword of the union is same union, followed by the union name and members variables. To access the member of a union, we use the dot operation, same we as used in the structure. Structure also we are used the dot operation. In this union also we can use the dot operation for access the member of a union, followed by the member name. Since all the members share the same memory space, modified one member affecting the other members. Next, we will see the stack operation. In stack operation, we will see the push operation. A stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out. Means LIFO is last in first out principle. The push operation adds an element to the top of the stack. The element pushed becomes the new top of the stack. Next, we will discuss the stack operation in pop. The pop operation remove the topmost element from the stack. Pop means remove. After the pop operation, the element below the top becomes the new top. The popped element is no longer accessible unless stored elsewhere. Next, we will discuss about the queues operations. In queues operation, we will discuss the insert. A queues is a linear data structure that follows the first in first out. The same we will see in the stack operation. First out principle. The insert operation adds an element to the rarer end of the queues. The element inserted becomes the new rarer of the queues. Next, we will see the queues operation in deletion. The delete operation means remove the operations, the front or first element, front or rarer element from the queues. After the delete operation, the elements next to the front becomes the new front. The deleted elements is a no longer accessible unless stored elsewhere. Next, we will discuss about the linked list insertion. A linked list is a linear data structure where an element means nodes is connected to the next using pointers. Insertion is a linked list involves the creating a new node and adjusting the pointers. Depending on the where the insertion is to be done, the pointers of the previous and next node need to be adjusted accordingly. Next, we will see the linked list insertion at the beginning. To insert a new node at a beginning of a linked list, the new node's next pointers is set to the current edge node. The edge pointer is then updated to pointer to the new node. This effectively makes the new node the first element in the linked list. A linked list in insertion. To insert a new node at the end of the linked list, the new node's next pointer is set to null. Null means 0. The next pointer of the last node in the linked list is then updated to point to the new node. Next, we will discuss about the last. We will see the summary and conclusion. Structure and union helps organizing a related data items together. Stack operation include the push and pop element from the top. Queues operation include the insertion and deletion. Insertion means adding, deletion means removing element from the front. Thank you.